Well, we're here at Swanton into our facility for Leader Evaporator and H2O. We're 1 year into this fantastic transaction now where we brought the two teams together. Today is the open house, so we're featuring new products, new ideas, interacting with our customers. I see great excitement of all our customers, you know, about what we have achieved together, how they look into the future. So this is a pretty good moment for us.
So we're here, we come out to the open houses every year. We really enjoy it. It gives us a chance to learn more about some of the new products that come out, because there's always new technology. You know, we do a lot ourselves, but we also, with selling the supplies, we sell mostly to small sugar makers. I'm very optimistic with the merger of Leader and H2O. As I said, we've been with Leader for over 50 years, but really enjoying all the new opportunities that H2O has to offer. So I think it's going to be a great relationship between the two companies, and it's going to help us a lot as well.
I think the fact that H2O and Leader are coming together, honestly, will help the whole market of sugar making to just have a good product here made in US with a lot of innovation and all the tradition of Leader. So I think this together will be really wonderful for everybody. And we now have the biggest network of salesmen here, distributor in the US, with service everywhere. So I think it's good that we are here. People will appreciate that. So.
Despite the fact that it was a challenging season, let's put it this way, overall, because I've been hearing that, you know, some producers are really good, some other ones was really average. I think there's still huge opportunities to invest into our technologies to improve and help them with labor challenges, because that will remain, helping them to make better syrup with better quality, reducing their evaporation time, reducing their production time, so that they can be more efficient. These are the kind of things that we can provide and help them with, and we have the solutions for this. So I'm excited. You know, I'm cautiously optimistic, because even though it was a challenging season, I think, you know, we can help them way more in producing good quality maple syrup.